The rain held off today as we drove further south through Carrydale and out to Alexandra Bridge Campground. How great are the toilets? Just the thing after a few days in the bush camps. Run by the Shire of Augusta Margaret River, the campsite has a warm and welcoming feel to it. It's peaceful and well spaced out and sits on the banks of the Blackwood River. The campground is a tranquil heaven, featuring a variety of birds and wildlife, and the river offers swimming, canoeing, fishing and boating, making it perfect for visitors who enjoy camping in a natural environment. There are 21 sites to choose from on a first-come, first-served basis among the peppermint trees with picnic tables and fireplaces. Camping is not permitted in the day use area by the river or anywhere outside the designated campsites. The campground has toilets, cold showers, gas barbecues, shelters, picnic tables, rubbish bins and a boat ramp. Camp kitchen, laundry facilities, hot water, power and chemical dump points are not provided. Please select a site that is suitable for your caravan, tent or camper trailer. Adults $10 per night, children from 2 to 14 years $5 a night. Checkout time is 10:30 a.m. and a maximum length of stay of 28 days applies for any 3-month period. Payments can be made on site by way of envelope and tear-offs to post on your chosen site. Just enter your dates, name, rego, etc. and pop the payment into the container at the information board on the way in. Campfires can be lit in designated fireplaces only. Please observe all campfire restrictions posted on site. Do not leave your fire unattended and extinguish campfires completely before you leave the site. This is an environmentally sensitive area. Please do not collect wood from the reserve. Dogs are welcome, but must be kept on a leash at all times. Alexandra Bridge has fast become one of our very favourite campsites, and I'm sure we'll camp here many times into the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon on our next video.